Okay, my name is Barbara Sides, and I'm from Jasper, Alabama, and I'm here at the Kondrot Clinic with doing some eye treatments. My problem was what I had surgery. I was taking the eye shots, and they had staph infection on the needle, and it was injected into my eye. So I come here to get help, and it has been very, very rewarding. I have really made fantastic progress, and it's really a blessing. This clinic is really a blessing, and the people are absolutely fantastic. The staff is so good and attentive, and I really want to continue with this plan and this treatment. I've learned so much, and of the alternative machines and the stuff like that I can do at home, and it's just really been a blessing.